Hey everybody, it's Menaree. Welcome back to my channel. So I wanted to show you guys a quick tip on how to rejuvenate your cream products. So that could be anything like your, creamed eyeshadows or your brow products that are dried out and you just, don't want to throw it away, but they're too dry to use. There is a hack that you can do that works amazing on rejuvenating these products. So if you guys want to see how to do that, then go ahead and stay tuned. Okay, so the tools that you're going to need for this is something to mix with, and I just used this, I don't know, it's like a pimple tool. That's all I had to mix. You're going to need either bio oil. If you don't have bio oil, you can use visine or water. I actually happen to have bio oil for some weird reason, but this works amazing. But like I said, you can use water or a visine or eye drops. Then you'll need your dried out products, and you can see this Ardell is pretty dry. It's stiff. I can't use that. And yeah, that sucks because it's dried out. I also have a Maybelline tattoo that's sort of really dry and crusty. And then I also have my MAC eyeliner that is really crusty. You can see how dry that is. It's cracked. Anyway, to get started, I'm going to go ahead and start with the Ardell Dip Brow. You want to put either just a few drops of the bio oil, water, or visine, whatever you decide to use, in the product. So I'm just going to do 2 drops for now. And take that tool, whatever you decide to use, and start mixing that together. Now you might see that you might need to go ahead and add more product. So I'm just going to mix that as best as I can together. And I can already tell that I'm going to need a little bit more of the oil, so I'm going to do another drop. And continue to mix. You can already see the consistency is starting to get really, putty-like again. And that is basically it. I'm going to go ahead and show you guys now, touching it, how much product comes off and the consistency. So yeah, just adding a little bit of the bio oil has completely rejuvenated this dip brow, and I would have thrown this away otherwise, but now I have been doing this with all of my dried out products. Okay, so next I'm going to go ahead and do it again with my MAC. You can see how dry that is. It's actually cracked because it's so dry. I'm going to go ahead and add just a few drips of the bio oil. Start off with 2. Now you can see already how creamy that is. If you wanted your product to be a little more creamy, of course you could add more oil. But yeah, that's perfect. So that one is also fixed. And MAC ain't cheap, that shit's expensive. So I definitely will rejuvenate any MAC products that I can. Okay, so the last one is my Maybelline. It is a cream like eyeshadow. So let's try the oil on that and see what it does. You can see that instantly starts making it creamy again. There you go, just 2 drips of the bio oil, and that is completely rejuvenated. So yeah, I hope you guys liked this video. I was completely shocked when I tried this for the first time because I have so many dried out products that I was going to throw away, and this actually works amazing. So yeah, if you guys like this video, make sure to like, share, and subscribe. Also make sure to hit the notification bell, and I will see y'all next time.